G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing, December 7, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. Excuse me. On the weekly, daily and hourly, you'll notice on the weekly and daily we're in a downtrend with a slight retrace on the daily. And on the hourly you can see that retrace. And we had a couple of bullish divergence played out, and they both hit their targets. And at the moment we've got a bearish outlook looking forward to that. So let's look at the weekly first off. The CCI 400 is pretty much trending flat. The CCI is breaking below its moving average, so I consider that a flat movement. The CCI 150, our divergence indicator, is also pretty much flat, I would say. I just need to move that way. It's more flat. And you'll notice on the bit of history first, between that larger Fibonacci range, I've kept that in there. It bounced off the 61%, and that's always a key area to look out for. In that smaller Fibonacci range, you can see there it's bounced down from that 50% level. So it always respects these Fibonacci levels. That's on the weekly. On the daily, again, there's that smaller Fibonacci range there, came down and bounced up from the 61%. And you'll notice the CCI, our divergence indicator, is no real divergence to talk of. It's moving in line with the price, which is what it should normally do, with the exception of divergence. And the CCI 400 is also in a downtrend, broken below its moving average, although as well making a slight retrace to the upside. On the hourly, we did have a bullish divergence and hit that area previously, and in the last few hours it's now generated this bearish divergence versus the price. So if this was to break to the downside, we'll draw a Fibonacci range from that level to that level, and then put in a target minimal retrace. This is minimal level it will reach. If it does retrace from there, it was that 23 to 38% level, which is 10344 or 10318 range. Now, of course, it doesn't mean it's going to necessarily bounce from there. It could actually break through there and break further to the downside. And if it does break below the 61% especially, that's a key area, then we're going to see further declines. But at the moment, a bit of a retrace. Now, you'll notice if you zoom out, in line with the larger time frames, it's pretty much bearish. There is a bit of a retrace here. You notice it's bounced off that 61%. So we may see a bounce down and continuation of a downtrend if it does break through this short-term reversal. So I'll just keep an eye on that. Also, I want you to notice as well, which was it? This one here, back here, I think it was the daily. So if you look at it from a Fibonacci level where it's come up to, you can see there it's if it does retrace from there, it's at the 38% level. So it does really respect these Fibonacci levels, and it may bounce down from there potentially. So we may see further declines from there. This just could be a couple of waves of a Elliott wave correction on this larger time frame. So at the moment, bearish on the US dollar with a small retrace to the upside, and that could be over in the coming hours according to this bearish divergence on the CCI 150. So I'll keep an eye on that and let you know how it goes in the coming days. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.